We end the year with 305 cases closed since the Perp Patrol began 3 years ago. We have no new captures or surrenders, but plenty of new cases for you to take a look at and see if you can help local police solve. State police in Livingston are looking for help with a grand larceny that took place in mid-December at the Verizon wireless store in the Hannaford Plaza there. Troopers say the suspect stole 4 smartphones from the displays. They say he also took several cell phones earlier that day at the AT&T store in Greenport. If you have any info on this case, you can reach State Police in Livingston at 851-2894. Albany police are asking for your help finding 24-year-old Jamaz Miller. He's wanted for assault, criminal mischief, and drug charges. He's 5'6", 135 pounds, with a tattoo of a money bag with a $sign on it on his neck. He likes to hang out in the South End, Arbor Hill, and West Hill areas of Albany. You can reach Albany police at 462-8039. Colony police are looking for 34-year-old Thomas Davis on drug, identity theft, and forgery charges. They say Davis was found to have 6.5 ounces of marijuana with him when the car he was riding in was stopped by police. They say he compounded the crime by lying about his identity, and he did that because he had several other warrants out for his arrest. He's also wanted in Albany and Waterville. If you know Thomas Davis, call Colony Police at 783-2754. So that's the last Perp Patrol of the year, but you can get a look at those mugshots anytime on our website at cbs6albany.com, and we'll kick off the new year with a new set next week. Liz Bishop with your Perp Patrol for CBS 6 News.